Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a huge stationery haul, which is basically all of the stationery and art supplies that I got for my 30th birthday, which, as you may already know, was in July. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you would like more stationery and or haul videos. So the first kind of category of stationery I got is pens. So the first thing I got were these Uni Pen fine liner pens, which came in a set of 5, and these are definitely some of the best quality fine liners out there, and I do really recommend them to anyone who is looking to find either a new set or maybe your old ones have run out. So I got a set of 5, which have the 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 and 0.8 size nibs, which are basically the only size nibs. Definitely a good choice to go with. So secondly, I got these Tombow Fudenoski hard and soft tip brush pens. I have been wanting these for a while so I can use them in my bullet journal, as all of the other brush pens I have, so the normal size brush pens you see in many of my other videos, such as my how to do calligraphy video, which I will link down below and in the eye if you'd like to see that, because I do recommend watching that if you ever want to learn how to do calligraphy. But back to the pens. So these are basically some of the only brush pens I've seen that you can fit in my bullet journal or any other small notebook I would like to fit them in. But these are definitely a good choice to go with, as I mentioned, I have the hard and the soft tip one. So the hard tip, as it's in the name, it's less flexible than the soft tip and it's more controlled, so I do recommend that one for beginners. And then the soft tip one is a bit more flexible than the hard tip and maybe for more advanced, but it also does give nice results too. Next, I got 2 sets of the Mildliner brush pens, which are amazing. I got the cool and the warm pack, as before I had already have the fluorescent ones, which are these ones. I had these ones already before, and you may notice these are slightly different, as I got the brush ones in the cool and warm pack, which I much prefer the brush ones actually, because as you can see they have the brush tip, which is so handy, and they also have an extra super fine nib on the other end. And the ones I had before were the original ones, which had the highlighter nib, which to be honest I don't use very often, so the brush nib is much more useful to me. And I got the thicker one, which still I don't use that much. So I think the brush mild liners are definitely the ones for me. So then I got this set of 5 Posca paint markers, which are the ones I have been wanting also for a while, as these are definitely some of the only pens that you can use on any surfaces, which I'm definitely looking forward to trying them out. And I got the extra fine, either the extra fine or just the fine, and these are so nice and I love the variety of colours they give you. I'm really looking forward to doing some videos on this, using these on some surfaces, so I might do redecorating my old phone cases with these pens, which will be so exciting and really fun to try out. So if you would like to see those videos, then comment down below and I will be sure to try and do them. This next thing is in its own sort of category, which is these Arteza acrylic coloured paints. And I really love them, and I have used these so much already. You may have seen in a few videos I have done many acrylic paintings on my Instagram. If you go check that out, the Instagram will also be linked down below. It's just Hey It's Annie, so like my YouTube name. I never really used acrylic paints before. I just used watercolours. They were my main go-to paints, were watercolours, because I used to have on my channel, there are so many watercolour videos that I made because I was always just using watercolours. But now I have found a whole new different type of paint that I can use. I mean, obviously I knew acrylic paints and stuff, but I had never really tried them out. So now that I've tried them out, I really love them, and you'll be seeing a lot more acrylic paint content on my channel and over on my Instagram as well. So I got 24 different colours, which is definitely a lot, so I won't have to worry about mixing colours too much. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you, Arteza, for these amazing acrylic paints. Next is another thing in its own sort of mini category, and it is these travel themed washi tapes, which I do really love as well. I got these from a friend, and I think these are from Paper Chase, which is a UK based store, so if you live in America or Canada or elsewhere, you may not have seen this store before, but it's such a cute little stationery shop, and they have basically everything you need. And these washi tapes are so nice, because before I didn't really have many washi tapes. I only had some rainbow ones and some different metallic ones, so these are definitely an essential one I had to add to my collection. And yes, so I may be doing some sort of travel theme maybe next year or this year in my bullet journal. These will definitely be my go-to washi tapes to use for that theme. I'm going to keep these in this little container with a few other washi tapes as well. So yes, so now the final and next category is notebooks. So the first sort of notebook thing I got was this A4 cartridge pad, which is really good, as I had exactly the same one before and I just finished it, which is so handy. And this pad is so good. It's got thick pages, which is perfect, and I can use watercolors, acrylics, pencils, and calligraphy pens for this. I can use many different things on it, which is perfect, and it is very good quality. It's from Winsor & Newton, and I love it. So next I got this toned A4 sketch pad, which has got these like sort of tan pages, so as I said, toned. And I have been wanting one of these for a while as well, because I can do coloured pencil drawings, drawings with white, drawings with black, and so many different colours I can use. Because of the toned, it can make everything stand out, and I can do more detailed colour pencil drawings with white especially, which I'm definitely looking forward to do in the future. So next I got this Rhodia box, which I initially thought was one big sketch pad when I first opened it, but then I realised it has many smaller notebooks inside it, which is so handy for me as I'm constantly making lists, reminders. So these are perfect, the small sizes and the big sizes as well. And it also came with these two pencils inside. So 2 notebooks, these are the smallest ones, which are the same size, and then a longer one, which is more for list making. I've already started, as you can see, me just writing down anything I need to remember, lists, all that sort. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh well. So then I got this bigger one, which is also very useful for anything I need to write down. So I'll just put these back in, and they all fit perfectly, which is just for me, as the perfectionist I am. They will have to fit inside perfectly, and it's just very satisfying when they just go inside, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so the final thing I got is definitely the best present by quite a lot actually. And okay, a drum roll please everyone. Yeah, okay, that wasn't a very good drum roll, never mind, just scratch that bit, yeah. Okay, so it is my first ever Archer and Olive bullet journal, which I am over the moon about, as I have been wanting one ever since I started bullet journaling back in February last year. So I got this Archer and Olive, and I love the design, all the aesthetic, all of the homemadeness, but then the like aestheticness, everything is amazing. So I got the Vintage B in a sort of turquoise colour. I'm trying to take it out here. There we go, lovely. So I got the Vintage B, and it in this turquoise teal colour, and I love all of the details, all of the stitching. It's got this nice band to keep it all together, and I think this is one of the best quality bullet journals out there. So I'm so excited to be writing in this and using it next year, because I've already got one which I'm going to finish off the rest of 2020. So beginning of next year, you will most likely be seeing me using this. So I can't wait for that. And it's got really thick pages, so I'll be using some watercolour, some of my new acrylics as well in this book, because it is amazing. and I love this little, it's got this little Arch and Olive logo on the bookmark, which I also love. All of the little things in this journal just make it so amazing. And this is just all of the texture of the cover. It just feels good quality because it's heavy. It's got the nice thick pages, which I need. All of the mediums I'm going to be trying to use. And yeah, so I'm going to put it back in safely for next year. And then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.